Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through resetting the color settings on a Windows 11 or Windows 10 PC or laptop. Whether you've accidentally changed your color settings or simply want to reset them to the default, these straightforward steps will help you get back to the original display settings. Let's jump right into it. First, open your Start menu and search for Settings. Once you've opened the Settings menu, click on System and then select Display. Scroll down until you see the Related Settings section, then click on Advanced Display. Here you will see your connected monitors. If you only have one, click on Display Adapter 1. For multiple displays, choose the one you wish to adjust. Now choose Display Adapter Properties. A small pop-up will appear detailing your graphics card and monitor information. In this panel, choose Color Management, then click on the Color Management button again to open a new window. From there, switch to the Advanced tab in the top menu. Under the Advanced tab, you will notice that color settings are stored separately for each user. Click on Change System Defaults. A new window will open. Go to the Advanced tab again. Find the option labeled Use Windows Display Calibration. Check the box, then click Close. Click Close again, then click OK and exit any remaining dialog boxes. After that, restart your PC or laptop, open your Start menu and do a quick restart. Once your device reboots, your color settings will be reset to the default configuration of your Windows 11 or Windows 10 system. That's it. You have successfully reset your color settings. I hope you find this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Turn on notifications to stay up to date with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and take care.